What's the meaning of broach? Broach. Broach.
Broach. Broach. The word broach has a few different meanings depending on the context it is used in. Generally, it means to bring up or start a discussion on a sensitive or previously unmentioned topic. It can also refer to the act of opening and tapping a cask or barrel, such as for wine or beer. In either case, the result is the introduction of something new or previously unaddressed into a conversation or situation. It can lead to deeper understanding and resolution, or possibly discomfort and tension. Ultimately, the impact of broaching a topic depends on the circumstances and individuals involved.